Tell a friend to tell a friend. Now, my question is Maria allowing her daughter to be married for her own selfish reasons? Is she after the money? Because she did say to her friend Pinky, this one, said that my child, agaslobali buthata ba tšhelete and agaslobali problem ya gore o spenda tšhelete botlhatswa because ha kere o nyetswe ke lesoka la tšhelete. So now the question is she allowing her daughter to be married because she has her own selfish reasons where she wants to harvest from her daughter's marriage, or o tla bolaisa ngwana hae black tax, and then ngwana hae will be forced to give her things because now mang she's trying to prove gore monna hae o na le tšhelete, or maybe ba tlo kopa tšhelete ngata ngata ya mahadi. I don't know, because something that just does not sound right. Because if you say to your friend gore ngwana ka won't be a ka se be le problem ya go spenda because bjanong o nyalwa ke disoka, and solo ka ga kere ke motho le bo di-finance le bo ditšhelete, so go ra gore obviously le wena setse o ipona o ja tsona ditšhelete tseo. Go ra gore a o nyadise ngwana because ngwana o ko maratong and o nyako thoma lelapa. No, o nyadisa ngwana because when are you looking at what is it in for me, what is it that I can gain. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing House of Zwide. Ndimadekwana sanibonani avuxeni molweni minjhani hi pfukile hi nga kwina. So namuntlha ka nongonoko wa hina hi kuma ku ri swilo swi tshamisekangi kahle, looking at the fact that Nkosi has found himself a teddy bear to be playing with. So uthole uyakhumbula i-ex-girlfriend yakhe, yes, the one that he slept with and makes Shoki so angry. Yes, now they are now together and trying to work this thing out where omunye uthole i-campaign. That campaign is an international brand that she needs to pitch for, and Nkosi is available and ready to put everything yomsebenzi wakhe on risk, because Ona is not happy about him moving during our office hours ayo thusana le ex-girlfriend ya hae e leng gore the campaign is not going to benefit the company. So, but then it looks like Nkosi is determined to help her. I don't know why, and I don't know what is it in for him, and I don't know what is he gaining, but he's actually putting some good input. And Balisa looks like she is actually enjoying the attention that she's getting from Nkosi, even if now it looks like it's work. Speaking about attention, guess who is funding Isaac Molapo? Isaac Molapo is getting funding from Umsizi. Umsizi says, you know what, when I look at you, you look like a good man. You look like the man that I can put my money into. And with that said, obviously he is going to consult Gogolo to see if the money can go the other side. Obviously, gets a thumbs up and go back and say, listen, you look like a guy that I can spend money on with the hope that I'm going to get the returns. You remember previously when I said to you guys, while he was habali busy, but no, utsena the election, Msizi Smile had a lot. Ndan guys, yes, I told you that that smile, it was like I've got a lot to say, but I'm not gonna say it now. So Mina, I could tell Gucci there was a lot to be discussed. Umusa is so happy that obviously Ubutua. Why do I keep saying obviously? He is so happy that Ubutuake uzo shata and with against all odds, and that is it. Against all odds, he una le mathata mmikili jwetse. Una le mathata gore okay, she knows she loves Usoka and she can do anything for Usoka and the relationship that they're in and soon to be Makoti. But inkinga uxela uthatha ubana andazi ubana uzondwalker down the aisle because andinagwamntu. Ndicinga utatam, and xa ndicinga utatam I'm thinking utatam lo wanditya imali, ulo wandikruka isigebengu esifike lapha sathi siyamthanda njengomntana wakhe wathatha imali budu watuwa wawusiya oralo. So manje she's a bit concerned, and I'm sure Usoka is gonna ask ukuthi who's gonna receive the ncwadis, who's gonna do, but I guess maybe Umulapo is gonna step in as the stepdad. Even though he did not approve of her moving in, I also don't approve her moving in, but it looks like probably Mr. Mulapo. I'm just thinking, I don't know, because there isn't anyone really, because the father, he's old news and I couldn't. Anyway, Kata and the friend enemy to be, Bakata Nidi Konti when the pastor of what's that church, Ghana? I forgot the name. Tabernacle of Life decided to go and take a title deed from Memahlang.